Yo. All right, another mod before the end of the year. I ended up getting side window louvers for the Mustang. I needed to get that, man. I kind of have like a love and hate to see whether I want to keep that or not. So we're gonna put them on, see if I like it. If I do, then I'll move on to getting the window louver for the rear window, and we'll keep going on. So let's start unboxing. All right, so it comes with two of them, and it brings you some 3M tape or double-sided tape. Yes, this is another eBay part. I'm going to continue to keep getting eBay parts. Just for now, I'm just trying things out. Eventually, when things get better, I'll end up buying brand names for the front splitters, side skirts, diffusers, and window louvers. So let's get to it and see if we can get it installed. All right, so we're going to just represent it, see how it looks. Then we'll go ahead and try it out. I actually like it, man. Kind of gives it an aggressive look on the side. I kind of had like a love and hate with it, but now that it's on there, I mean, obviously a video can't do no justice, but when I see it in person, I actually like it. It doesn't look bad. I'm still debating whether I should clear coat it so it can match with the spoiler, but for now, I'll just double-side it, put it on, and then I guess through time, either I'll take it out later on and clear coat it and see what happens, but I like it. It actually looks really good. I don't think I've showed you guys the front splitter over the other splitter during the daytime, so that way you guys can see how it looks like. I mentioned in the previous video that wasn't supposed to actually fit on this car because of the track pack, but I made it work and it looks good, so no complaints here. Guys, all I can say is go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys on the next one.